So there's a lot of videos about the water pump, the Opti obviously, the balancer, but there's nothing about how to get this water pump drive gear out. Ignore all this. This is from sitting outside. It's the last thing I need out of this block. It sits right in there. I just found a method to get it out. Been using the dead blow, that's not working. I tried using the rubber into this, the plastic into this. Finally the best method I found, and I can't find no videos like this on YouTube, so this is what I came up with. This is the last thing I need out of this LT1. When was it, a 14? Let's see if we get this damn deep. And I put it in. Let's see if we can see here. Right here along the water pump drive gear. But I don't put it on the bearing. And if you get a 14, you see the bearing right there, it doesn't get on the bearing. It just sits right in there. Let's see if we can do this with the phone, with the hammer. So we can set the phone right there. And I'm not using a dead blow. I'm using a real hammer. Let's see if we get this thing. That's it. She's out. I got my plate on it. I'm trying to spin it with one hand. It's a little bit difficult, but anyways. Let's see if we get this. Didn't do any damage. Bearing's still good. But using a dead blow hammer didn't work at all. These bolts for the cam plate was a bitch, but them two bolts right there for the water pump drive gear I just took out. It's a 27 Torx bit. Look at my rod. But there's two of them. Let's see if we can get them out. They're 27. I just cleaned them up, but 27 kind of stripped it out. I didn't panic. I got a 30 T30. I Teflon taped it. I smashed it down the hole. Bolts came out fine. That was just damaged. But I didn't see a video on this. Hopefully it's useful.